Goodness gracious. I harvested some potatoes the other day. Got them out of that, and I replanted I'm replanting a moringa in that one. And I've already eaten some of them, and I forgot to show you my harvest, but I forgot about this one. So I drug it over here, and I'm getting ready to empty it out and show you what I got. Put that in my compost pile. All right, moment of truth. Oh, there's some that rolled out. Oh, look at that. All right. Well, my potatoes are not gonna get me through the winter, but I did get a few. I pulled out more than what I planted so far. Let's see if there's anything else in this. There's another big one. All right, there's a little one. Here's a little one. Have to excuse me, I'm in my bathing suit today. I do a little bit around the yard, and then I hop in the pool. Then I do some more stuff in the yard, and then I hop back in the pool. Ooh, what's that? Piece of wood. All right, I think that may be it. I harvested more than that from the first two. Step over here. I harvested more potatoes than that from the first two. I sure wish I'd thought to. Oh, wait. There's another potato. I still harvested more than that from the first two. Who knows what will pop up as I'm refilling. Oh, there goes a centipede, millipede, dedipede. I don't know what it was. I got a lot of tiny little ones like this. I may just leave them in the dirt. I don't know. But I am quite pleased that I know I can grow potatoes. That's the main thing that I learned. I learned that I can grow potatoes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some tiny ones. So altogether, I probably got about 20-something potatoes altogether. And I've already eaten some, and they are delicious. Along with my tomatoes, I got a black-eyed pea, purple Hulk pea, excuse me, some basil, and I really need to do this oregano.